Hello, dear people. This is Ashok here. I am the author of The Basics of Stock Market for Beginners and The Financial Independence for Women books. In this video, I will be showing you 100% of my steps as to how I go through the binary options trading for the particular day, and I'll show you how I select the particular forex pair. I'll explain my trading strategy. Third step is I'll show you my martingale strategy, which I employ to do the risk management, money management, and that is the way I will actually put my money in one trade after another. Fourth, I will do the live testing of trades, as well as I will show you the back testing of what forex pair I will select and how much profits we can earn with that. And let's jump in right away. Going back to my computer screen, I will start always from 12 p.m. IST, and since this is a weekend, this is a Saturday, we will be trading with OTC calls. First thing is, once I log into the IQ option, I will have to select binary options pair which I am actually trading, and to select that options binary, and then I will select 1 minute expiration, and I will select either GBP USD or Euro USD because those are the pairs which have the maximum exposure, and it will not give us lots of dojis, and there will be traders trading at any point of time. And the second thing what I will select is the maximum profit level. I have to have 85% and above in order to be profitable on any particular day, because 80% and lesser we will not be trading because we will not be enough profitable. We will have to bear a lot of losses and less profits. That's the reason 85% and above is what we will be looking for 1 minute profits, and I will only be trading with 1 minute candles and 1 minute expirations. That's how we will trade. I usually prefer GBP USD, so I am selecting GBP USD, which I have already selected here. Euro USD is the other thing which I have extensively backtested, and I will use Euro USD as well if the percentage of profit is higher in that forex pair. So as of now, let's backtest it from 12 p.m. if it is giving us enough profits or not. As of now, I'm trading with $10 as starting bet. Just for the sake of your purpose, I'll show you with $1. I have opened my martingale system where I have put in the calculations for 85% profits. With first trade, I will take $1 as my investment, and second will be $2.5, third will be $6, fourth will be $15. What I'm doing here is I'm 2.5xing each and every trade I take. Let's start with the first trade, that will be at $1, and I'll start backtesting it from 12 p.m. So the backtesting, so the trend trade strategy which I will be using is only based on price actions. It does not use any indicators. It will only use price actions. I have already given this binary trading strategy over here. I'll put the link and you can watch that over here. That being said, the trend break, trend follow method which I'll be using is like this. I will wait for a trend to be formed. One break has to happen, and then we will follow the same trend for the next 9 candles. The way how we will put up the money is with martingale system. So the first trade will be following of the trend break. So the trend break here is green. The next 9 candles we will bet with green, that is a call as our trade. In the first candle itself we got a green, and we have profited in the first candle itself over here. And there is another break which has happened. There is another trend which has emerged over here, and other break which has emerged over here with a green candle. So the green has given one more trade of the 9 candles which we will follow if at all it's not showing green. The next candle itself showed up as green, so we won over here. Here another red trend actually emerged. Candle which broke it was a green candle, and now we will have to trade a call in the next 9 if at all we are not profiting. So the first trade was a loss. We lost $1. The second trade will be $2.5, which will be changing it over here, and then we will trade with this $2.5, and here we have profited, we have won the trade. So next we'll have to change this 2.5 to 1 again. If at all you require coaching with binary options, comment below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Over here a green trend has emerged and a red has broken it. For the next 9 candles we will trade a put. Green, we have lost it over here. In the second we will trade with $2.5 as a bet. The $2.5 we have gained in this particular one. So this is the way we will backtest our strategy. This is the trend break, trend follow method. If at all you have any questions with respect to trend break, trend follow method, comment below. If you comment Martingale, I will send you the Excel sheet which I use for tracking the Martingale system. I will respond to each and every comment, and I will give you all the information you require to succeed with binary options. If you have not watched my previous live trading, watch it over here. If you have no idea about what binary options is, you can watch it over here, and I'll give you all the information required for binary options in this particular video.